let's talk about how every manifestation is everyone is you pushed out, and a really good technique for you to start seeing that you are God of your universe. So let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're going to talk about everyone is you pushed out, my favorite subject in the whole wide world. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So everyone is you pushed out. It's so important to understand that every single manifestation that you have involves everyone is you pushed out. So let me explain, okay? So for instance, everyone is you pushed out, what it is your thoughts influence other people, and other people think it's their idea. So for instance, if you were to manifest a cup of coffee, that involves everyone is you pushed out, because somebody has to think, oh, I'm going to buy you a free cup of coffee, and then they decide to buy you a free cup of coffee. Same thing with finding a quarter on the ground. You know, it involves you influencing somebody else's thoughts for them to be able to drop the quarter on the ground, and then for you to find the quarter and to pick it up. The same thing with getting a deal on a Porsche. Somebody has to, you go to buy a Porsche, and the sales dude has to be like, oh, I'm going to give her a deal. And, you know, and you get that good deal on a car. Same with getting a job. It involves everyone as you pushed out, because, you know, somebody's got to pull your resume out of the pile and choose to hire you. So every single manifestation that you have involves influencing other people, and you're constantly doing it. You're constantly influencing other people. And how are you doing that? And you're doing that with your thoughts. You're constantly influencing other people with your thoughts. Even if it is manifesting that house or condo at the price that you want, you're influencing other people with your thoughts constantly. So, and you're always doing it, and you've always been doing it, because your thoughts create. So one really good way to actually realize the power that you have is to start thinking on purpose and consciously thinking every minute of your day, and basically taking on a mental diet for everything that you do, and actually consciously thinking about stuff. So, you know, like for instance, before I go to the grocery store, I, consciously and on purpose intend that it's going to be empty, and that everything I buy is going to be on sale, and I'm going to get a really good parking spot at the front of the store. Or if I go somewhere, I consciously intend I'm going to have a good time there. Or if I'm at a networking event, I'm going to intend that I find what I'm looking for, the person I'm looking for, and constantly throughout my day, I make intentions. I intend to get my mail, or, and if I think, oh, you know what? Oh, traffic's going to be bad. I stop myself and I say, no, I intend for the roads to be clear. I intend to get home safely. So I constantly keep yourself on a mental diet, and constantly ask yourself, do I really want to create that? And, catch yourself and start consciously changing your thoughts to what you actually want, Say, for instance, you're going to go over to your friend's house for dinner, and they always burn dinner. I intend for them to make crispy and golden brown grilled cheese sandwiches. Start consciously thinking and planning and being on a positive mental diet in your minute to minute, day by day. You're waiting for a letter. I intend for that letter to come. You're waiting for a call. I intend for them to call me. Start using it in every area of your life, because when you start to use it in every area of your life, you really start to realize that nothing is by chance, and you absolutely create everything with your thoughts. It's really simple. Like when, things are showing up randomly and you're not sure how they're getting created, that's because their thoughts are random and you're not keeping track of them, right? But when you start to keep track of your thoughts and be on purpose with them, you really start to realize that nothing is by accident. Nothing is random. You're actually creating every little bit of it. So anyways, yes, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are all amazing, and we'll see you in the next video.